The next question we have is from Scottsdale Phoenix Center, Jordan.
Jordan, wave your hands.
Jordan is asking, Pranams Swamiji, I have had sleep problems for 10 years, narcolepsy, and whenever trying to be meditative and stay present during it, I almost always fall asleep. How do I stay present and not doze off? Thank you, Swamiji.
Jordan, completion for next 21 days will take away all your sufferings, low mood. Naturally you will fall into completion and meditative state, then falling asleep. Blessings.
The next question is also from the Dallas Center, Letitia. Letitia is asking, I want to know if my completion is completed or not. I'm doing completion from more than a month now. I need blessings for my inner awakening. I want you to open my third eye, and I need blessings for the blindfold reading.
Letitia, come to inner awakening, my blessings. I'll remove all the obstacles. In inner awakening, you will experience third eye. You will be able to do it. My blessings. Be blissful.
The next question is from Philadelphia Center, Jigar Bafna. Jigar is asking, Dear Swamiji, Nityananda, how does one take out negative thoughts, currents, process, or conflicting virtues from the mind? It always takes confidence. Does it have to do with all the wrongdoing in the life, or is it a virtue of learning? The more time present to think, the more negative thought process comes. How do I cut these negative thoughts?
Jigar Bafna, first thing, the whole suffering which you are describing is because of the confusion and conflicts. Just next 21 days of completion process will really help you to get out of this whole thought current. Jigar, can you wave your hand? And I will give you one more advice. Watch the Karma webinar. I have given a webinar on Karma. Watch that for next 21 days. You will break from this pattern. Blessings.
The next question is from Houston Center, Shaili Gandhi. She's asking, Swamiji, I'm going to graduate from college in a year and I need to choose a profession from our graduate school. I want to wake up every day and do what makes me happy, and helping people makes me happy. That is why I would like to do something in the medical field, but I'm not sure what profession to choose. Some options are physical therapy, doctorate, anesthesiologist, or any other type of profession. Please direct me towards a path.
Doctorate. I commit with you, you will be successful. Shaili, you will be successful. Choose doctorate. And medical field is best for you. You will not only be a doctor, you will be a healer also. My blessings.
The next question we have is also from the Houston Center. Anusha is asking, Swamiji, can you tell us more about the special inner awakening in December, Nityanandoham?
Oh God. Anusha, what I said now, oh God, is the introduction for Nityanandoham. I'll give a detailed introduction later. Now, we have so many questions to attend. I'll attend to all the questions. Maybe one day morning satsang, I'll dedicate and give a complete introduction on Nityanandoham, December. See, now I have to push the whole inner awakening to next level in Nityanandoham. It's already 1 year over. Every year I give the next push. It is time for me to give a next push. That is why.
And also, Saravanan and Praveen are
See,
asking.
one thing I can tell you. If you already done inner awakening, you know what it is. Just prepare, make time available for the December. Start working. I'll take care. Everything will align. You will be there. That's all. Get ready to be there in December Nityanandoham. That is the introduction for Nityanandoham. Next.
The same center, Saravanan and Pravina are asking blessings to attend Shivoham in Shiva's home this October in
Tathas.
Varanasi.
Saravanan, blessings to both of you. You will be able to make it this October. Be blissful.
The next question we have is from Sydney, Australia Center, Kui Chin Oon. Dearest Swamiji, good day. Sending my deepest gratitude to you. Swamiji, I have pain and guilt about my past of my father, but I don't mind to bear this pain and guilt because I feel I gave it so much strength in my growth up to this present by remembering the lessons, and no matter how tough any situation can be, I just can't fall into negative. Yet I never stop uplifting people around me as much as I can with sharing everything of all what I have learned to inspire them in any way I can. So may I know, being in this situation of handling life, is this not right? Countless heartiest thanks.
Kuichi-un, I think you need to do completion. You started enjoying pain and guilt, which should not be. Please do completion. After completion only really you will see those lessons become strength in you. Till then, it may be intellectually a strength, but only after doing completion, it will become real strength. Blessings.
The next question we have is from San Jose Center, Sharmila Rajendran. Nityanandam Swamiji, what is the scientific process that happens when the koshas are cleansed?
Sharmila, see, when the koshas are cleansed, you become integrated. Your whole being becomes authentic. So naturally, when you become integrated, you are more powerful, more energetic, more blissful, more conscious, more enlightened, more awakened. That's all. What more do you want?
The next question we have is from Melbourne, Tiruvarur Center, Geeta Yuvaraja. Geeta is asking, Dear Swamiji, how can I relive incidents from my early childhood before 12 years of age, as I cannot remember anything? Thank you.
Geeta, whatever you can't remember, don't even bother. Forget about it. Whatever you can remember, relive them, that's enough. I'll take care.
Melbourne,
Whatever you can't remember, automatically doesn't have any influence over you. Don't worry about it. Geeta, can you wave your hands? Blessings.
The next question is from San Jose Center, Bonnie Fleming. Nityanandam Swamiji, how do I complete with the fear of loss of loved ones in my life? Bonnie, please wave your hands.
Again, next 21 days do completion only with that pattern. You will be free from it. You will be healed, completed.
And we also have one participant from the San Jose Center, Coralia Camacho. She's asking, please bless me for October Inner Awakening in Varanasi.
Yes. Coralia Camacho, blessings. You will be able to make it for Varanasi IA. Be blissful.
The next question we have is from Oklahoma Somanatham Center,
Yes, go ahead.
Sneha Patel. She's asking, Swamiji, please bless me. I'm looking for a job as a dentist. I want something where I'm able to help many people who are not able to afford dental care.
Sneha, I'll take care. I'll do it. You will get a job immediately. Maybe within next 72 hours. Do what needs to be done. The moment you finished your side, like a filling or searching, in 72 hours, I'll make sure you get it. And my blessings, you will be able to serve many people, making many people happy. Blessings.
The next question we have is from Ohio Center. Paul Olin. Paul is asking, how can fear reside in the Annamaya Kosha and also in the Swadhisthana Chakra, which resides in the Vijnanamaya Kosha?
Paul, understand, all the fear patterns are stored in Annamaya Kosha. When you cleanse the Swadhisthana Chakra, the source of the fear is broken. See, all these koshas are not like a separate watertight compartments. They do have some intra-connection and interconnection between each other. So whether you work on Swadhisthana or Annamaya Kosha, you will be free from fear. Next.
The next question we have is from New York Morris Plains Center. Jitendra Hirpara. Jitendra is asking, my Kundalini is awake. In daytime, lot of heat in the spine and it's good. But at night, I get pain in the chest and back chest area. A year ago, I watched your YouTube and did 7 steps in Kriya for a few weeks. But stopped later because 45 minutes was too long, no time. A month later, I took up a 15-minute sadhana as recommended by another guru on YouTube. Since last few weeks, I'm having pain problem at night as if I should go to the hospital. What should I do and why is this happening? Thank you.
See, first thing, as long as you are doing Yen Kriya, there will not be any problem, I can guarantee. Now, this other guru's practice, I do not know what is the practice, so I can't comment on it. I can tell you one thing, as of now, stop both. Don't do anything, I'll heal you. Don't worry. My blessings. I'll heal you. Don't do both. Please come to Inner Awakening, you will have a clarity.
The next question we have is from Scottsdale Phoenix Center, Gaurang Patel. Gaurang is asking, Pranam Swamiji, I have a liquor store in Pine Top, Arizona. Should I keep it or sell? Thank you.
Gaurang, sell the whole shop as early as possible and get rid of it. Please do not make money by selling liquor. You being a Patel, a very high ethical community, I think better to get rid of liquor shop, liquor store as early as possible. Do something else, you will be successful. My blessings.
The next question we have is from Los Angeles Adinam Center, Mohit Shah. Mohit Shah is asking, Pranam Swamiji, the cleansing completion process brings attachment. How does one reconcile this attachment or a rag emotion with detachment or vairagya, which is the ultimate?
Mohit Shah, the completion process will not bring attachment. It will clear all the attachments. You are having wrong idea. Please understand, do completion, all the attachments will go away. You will have the real vairagya. Till then, what you call as vairagya may be anger, hatred. The real vairagya will come only with completion. Blessings.
The next question is from Toronto Adinam Center, Joanne. Joanne is asking, will I get the healing I need? Will I be successful in the career I want, which is working with youth? Joanne?
Joanne, Toronto, blessings. I'll make it happen. You will be successful. Yes. Now it is time for Shivoham process. Please understand, now we are going to work on the 4th layer and 5th layer. Vijnanamaya Kosha, Anandamaya Kosha means cognition layer, bliss layer. In the both layers, you can't do anything about it. All the patterns you have stored in the cognition layer and bliss layer, you can't do anything, only I can do. So I will directly clean it through the Shivoham process. Thank you. Be blissful.